A nice lady from Malibu, California called me. She said, I purchased a rug 2 months ago. Brand new. $14,000. A Persian rug 9. Beautiful. Matched my house perfectly. All my house is decorated with a beautiful Oriental rug. Real, expensive, and one of a kind. My schnauzer, a little schnauzer, decided to use his whatever on the rug, and now I have a yellow stain. I called my ordinary carpet cleaner, the one that gave me a service for many, many years in my house. He looked at the rug and he said, I am not going to touch it. I don't want to lose you as a customer. I said, what shall I do? And the carpet cleaner told her, call a company in Florida by the name PetPeePee. I was laughing. I was sure that he is making a joke. And he said, oh no, here I show you. And he showed me your video. And now I'm surprised to talk to you and hear the same voice on the YouTube video. So my cleaning lady used the wrong cleaning product than I purchased in pet supermarket. And now it turned yellow. Can you remove it? I said, I believe so. I believe because it happened only a few days ago. But I'm really concerned about 5-6 days shipping from California all the way to Florida. She said, it's not a problem. I'm willing to pay even next day air to your place. I said, okay, if you want to do that, I do my best, my dear. I cannot promise you to remove the yellow stain, but I believe it will come off. She said to me, I'm sending you the rug. It will be at your place tomorrow. And this is the Oriental rug, 9 by 12. Thin. Weight about 60 pounds. Next day air from Malibu, California to Florida. I received it the next morning at 10 o'clock. It was in my warehouse and I put it right away on the vacuum floor. the first thing that I have to do is wash out all the cleaning product the customer use on the rug. All the enzyme, the deodorizer, the scrap that sell in the market. I have to remove it through the rug, through the fiber with the schnauzer PeePee. After several cleaning process, the Dead Sea Cleaner flushed the rug, the whole rug, completely, and the vacuum from under the rug vacuum everything through the rug. And you can see then the yellow stain almost disappear. After the vacuum extract all the Dead Sea Cleaner through the rug, then it is organic and odor free. I can call the lady and tell her the yellow stain disappear. I am sure, because if I didn't see it when the rug is wet, when it dry, it will be gone completely. I put the rug on UPS truck, ground back to Malibu, California. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Please call today.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
How to fold 9x12 Oriental rug the right way. Flip the rug. Very, very important. So the face of the rug, the beautiful part, will face the floor. It is very important to fold the Oriental rug after you flip it over. So like this one, you don't have a stress on the foundation of the rug. Don't forget to put your information inside the package. And I will email you the UPS label. Even I will schedule UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. Don't forget to put your information inside and put 2 labels. I'm going to email you a label and you can print it twice and put it on the 2 sides of the package. Like this one, for sure, no one of them will get lost. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal. Text me the size of the package, and of course, I would love to email you the UPS label. Stay tuned and see some of my wildlife photographer, my artwork, and you're welcome to visit mayormartin.com.